Okay, so here's the next video for Algebra Chapter 3, Section 5, where we have an application of inequalities, where we have a variable on each side of the inequality. I want you to pause the video in a minute and read through this to figure out, okay, what is it asking? What do we need to do to solve it? So pause the video now and then come on back in a few minutes. Okay, so you should have noticed that there are two there's two cleaning companies and they want to pressure wash the house. Okay, and so we have home cleaning. So we have home cleaning and we also have power clean. So the equation for home cleaning, it says that it's $312 to pressure wash the siding. Okay, so that's going to cost $312. And it even says plus. So plus $12 for each window. So $12 per window. It would be written like that. Power clean is just $36 per window. So really, the first thought that you should have in your head is that, okay, which company is going to be the better buy? And it really is going to depend on how many windows you have. So it says here, how many windows must a house have to make the total cost from home cleaning less expensive than power clean? So we want to know when that is going to be less. Okay, so it's going to look when home cleaning is less than power clean. When this equation is less than that equation, or that expression. So let's start to take the steps to solve it. Okay, we do have variables on each side, so we need to get them together. We have like terms and they need to be combined. I'm going to minus 12w on this side and minus 12w on this side. Okay, and so the strategy behind it is I noticed I was taking a look to see what the next steps were. I knew that I would have to subtract, my options were either to subtract 12 on each side or subtract 36 on each side. Okay, I chose to do the 12 because I know that my variable will be left positive. Those will cancel out. So I have 312 is less than and 24w. Okay, we need to think, okay, what is happening to the variable? They're smushed, they're side by side. Okay, when they're side by side, it means you're multiplying. So 24 times something. To get rid of that, we're going to have to divide by 24. Divide by 24. Over here, we're left with w. Okay, and when you do the division, you should get 13. So let's go back and see what this is really saying. It's saying that when the windows are greater than 13, that's when home cleaning will be less expensive. So as a homeowner, what you should think about is, how many windows do I have? Because if I have only 12 windows, then you want to go with power clean. Okay, if you have 13 windows, okay, well, which one's going to be more, which one's going to be less? But by doing this, we can figure out which one's the better buy.